remove the stone. And when they removed the stone, now Jesus prayed. Listen, only Jesus prayed. Martha and Mary did not pray. The people around did not pray. Only Jesus prayed. The people's work was to remove stone, not to pray. What does it mean? Sometimes in Nigeria, those who should be praying are the ones looking for stone to remove. And those who should be removing stone are the one praying. It does not work. Or what it means is that some prayers we do over certain situations is a waste of time. Jesus told them, remove the stone. He didn't tell you to pray. Remove the stone that is covering your work is to remove the stone. He didn't tell them, cast and bind the stone out. Pray the stone out. Poverty in Nigeria cannot be cast out. It cannot be declared out. It cannot be delivered out. Poverty in Nigeria is caused by stone holding the people in the grave of poverty. And those stones are in the presidency, in National Assembly, in government houses. The Lord is telling us, remove them. Stop praying about them, remove them. And how do you remove them? Remove them through election. When it's time for election, remove the ones that have not performed. And if you even make mistake and elect them, after 1 or 2 years, they are not performing. You can also remove them from peaceful protests. Occupy Aso Rock, occupy the National Assembly, occupy government houses until these stones that are holding people perpetually in poverty are removed. God is saying, remove.
How will I say this thing? Can I say that's why I love Catholic? Because they can't see a reverend father now will just decide when they say, see the way I will handle my parish. No. They will do their way according to Catholic way, according to the way Pope needed. But you see Pentecostal, their preaching are just one way. Only tithe and offering. That is their only preach. Another thing don't concern them again. You see this reverend father, God bless you, nice one. Before this country will better, we need a strong protest. Not even by vote again, because by vote again, you know they promote bad leader. Because them say even this bad one say never enter the post. Them don't pack trillions of dollars. Them don't pack money keep for the next election. Because them no say them no good. That's why they pack money keep. If they give you that money, you must vote them. Because you say you never seen that kind of money before. How you go lose God? Because of say you vote better one. That money go collect and to vote to the bad one. Because the money not safe no day. This is our country, Nigeria. For us to come out the bad leaders for vote, you know work. Now by protest, now we go come out them. Protest no be say the whole country go say 50 people or 100 just the work out for street say this government no good though. Then go spray you tear gas because them things say na play something they play. The whole full country, only 100 people will just come out for street. They march, say, this government, they do us bad though. This government, we not get light. We not get, them police go spray you tear gas, but them things say na play something they play. But if this 36 states go come out one full day, Anambra, anywhere, Kano, as everywhere, the Lagos State, Abuja, everywhere they protest. One full day, Imo State, one full day, everywhere they protest. For streets like this, they march, say, we need steady light, oh, we need this good road, oh, we need food, oh, we need this one. My brother, with it, I think like steady light go to Nigeria. Because them go fear, say, this one, with 36 states of Nigeria just come out one full day, they protest, say they need light. Hey, my brother, them go say what I don't pass, Gary. Them say go fear. You see our leaders, them go fear. Before you know it, they don't give us steady light. Nah. You know hard. For Nigeria to get steady light, my brother, you know hard. Now just a small thing because of their greediness. Now they don't want to give us steady light. You say the whole Nigeria go protest one full day, say we need steady light, we need this one, we need good road, we need make they give our youth job. See our graduates. Oh my God, if this matter safe, it don't time. Our graduates say they full for street. They work in here, they drive worker, they drive keke, they die anyhow because of say work no day. Every and rob. Why thief no go full Nigeria? Because of person go finish school 5 years, 4 years, for institution, no see job. Now if you say go enter in mind immediately, now to do but now go enter in mind. Let's protest the whole 36 states. Let's come out one food day protest. Say this government no good. Let this government do us this thing. We need this thing. We don't need this one. My brother, I think of they don't do it. Cause them go fear. Them go shake. Say this thing never happened for Nigeria before. Them go shake and them go do it. Nobody say go see one state. 100 people go just come and say this our governor. You know they do us good. And that governor go send police. Then go blow them tear gas. Cause even the governor say no say them not they serious. If your governor not do you well, May the full state come out one day, say, this governor must step down, or you know they do us good. My brother, If the governor say no one step down, you see that's the way you know they do, he go do nah, for him not to step down. Because if say the whole state go just come out, maybe 50 people just come and say, this governor, you know they do us well. Himself go think say na play, na they play. One full state, only 100 people down. One full state, only 50 people down. You want them to say, President of Nigeria, know they do good now. 100 people just come out. 200 people just come out, they protest for the whole full state, the whole full Nigeria. 100 people just come out, the whole full Nigeria, they protest, say, this president, you know good, you know give us steady life, you know do this one. No be charge this something. The whole 36 states, Now just 100 people go just come out. They protest, say this president is no good. No be try this. If they good for you, yeah. It be like saying I play that people they play. They go blame people tear gas, because if person see say we are 100 people they work out for the whole full Nigeria, say now them they protest, say this leader, they do us good. Them go say na try this one and them go blow people tear gas. If the whole Nigerians go come, oh yeah, tell me, why the whole Nigeria no fit come out one day protest, say this thing no good? Why the whole full Nigeria no fit come out one day say this thing where them they do us? Why they no fit give us steady life? Why they no fit give us good road? Why they no fit give us good water? Why they no fit give our youth work? Why the whole full Nigeria no fit come out one day? You get state where steady light is there. You get state where they get work. You get state where good food there. You get state where good water there. Why this state go come out one day protest say this government is no good? Why the other state no go come out? Una state is they good? Na Sabo na they kill this country. Na Sabo na they kill this country. This group now go say this Nigeria no good. From back they go collect money. That they say them to go they protest say they no go come out. You go see their state say they no follow for that way they do. Because them they fear say that day they won't protest. The president said they monitor states where protest and states where no protest. And that governor no one made their state to protest. You go come, bring big money, share their own state, say, see this protest where Nigeria won't do today. Mona no protest, so Mona no come tell our president say in good work, you know reach our state. So before you know it, that state you no go protest again. And for that state no protest. They protest, the number don't short to Nasabo, he won't make the presidency say in own state no protest, in own state lover. So that after he go collect money for back. Now be Nigeria problem. No be by vote, now go come out bad people. Now by protest. And that protest no be half. That protest no be quarter. That protest now full Nigeria go come out one day. Let the whole world hear say the whole full Nigeria come out one day, they shake. Say we don't need this leader. We don't need this governor. We don't need this senator. We don't need this social place. If the whole full Nigeria can come out one day say, see this minister, we don't need them. My brother, with a tinkle of eye, say that minister go say, no be because of this thing they won't remove me, I go do them. The president go say, no be because of this steady light they won't remove me, I go do them. No be to give you to work they won't remove me, I go do them. And the good road, I go do them. Before you know it, if they tell say Nigeria ain't they good like this, you go say na lie. If Nigeria still say na lie, make they try this one day. Make full 36 states just come out one day, shake the whole Nigeria. Even our leaders say, article of ISF, them go enter private jet, run come out from Nigeria. Because them go fear say, this one where 36 states of Nigeria just come out one day, they protest. One full day, they protest. No state will say, no, we no go protest. My brother, article of IS, all the our ministers, all the our governors, all the our president, them go wrong. Them go leave this Nigeria. Nah. I'm talking to you. If they see say the whole 36 states of Nigeria won't protest, no be said by mouth or by truth. Now tomorrow we go protest. That tomorrow, Anambra they protest. Imo State they protest. Akwa they protest. If you go Enugu, them they protest. You go Kaduna, go Zamfara, you go Katsina. All the whole state, they both north and the east and all the whole Nigeria they protest. One food there. Hey, my brother, you go see nah. Our leaders go run, and for them to run, them go there, go think. For them to come back, you go see good results. Thank you very much.